Welcome GMB pros. Welcome everyone that's on the live. Welcome everyone that might be catching us on Facebook. So just to remind everyone, with GMB pros, our goal, William and I's goal is twofold. One is to help you grow your agency, and two is to help you get better results for your clients. So let me switch your mics real quick just to make sure. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. That's fine. There we go. There we go. There we go. That way I can get you some better audio out of here. Okay, awesome. So again, is William and I's goal is to help get you guys to grow your agency or get better results for your better results for your clients. So let me get some of this in here. Put that there. So today it's just myself, guys. Today is just myself, just kind of Q&A, kind of get you guys what what I'm up to, what maybe William Jones is up to, any updates, anything that we have going on right now. Kind of just give you an update and answer any questions you may have if you need any guidance. I know there's a lot going on with different softwares that are out there that are pending. So I kind of want to cover that a little bit. Let me see here, real quick. Let me get this published out, and feel free to ask any questions that you guys may in the chat, and we'll get those answered for you. Let's see here, boom, boom, boom. And I will cover a few things. Let me just populate this. Remind everybody that we're on here. Let's see if we can get some people on here and get some questions answered for you guys. A couple more. Okay. Let's see. And feel free to type in any questions that you guys may have. Yep, perfect. And let me just throw this on Facebook one more time in another group. Here it is. And let's see if we can get people on here to get some questions. Okay, perfect. So one of the things I wanted to cover kind of in the Q&A real quick is softwares that are out there. So softwares that I use are now with Search Atlas. We have tools like Ahrefs, we have Auto, we have a Local Dominator for maps. These are the softwares that we use like on a daily basis. Now, guys, with that being said, don't rely like 100%. One thing that I like about, let's say, like even Auto that's out there, it's JavaScript. It helps you with your web page SEO. You still want to keep your eyes on it. You still want to give that human touch, make sure it's correct, make sure it makes sense to you. And that goes with any tool. Don't take it as like one and done. Don't take it as like, okay, it's the end all. It's a tool. All tools have their limitations up to a certain point, but it does help you like with the heavy lifting, right? It does help you maybe remind you of like what you're missing, or in your process, if you miss a step and you look at these different tools, it was going to help you like, I forgot about this, and then help you fix that particular error. So when you look at these different tools, even the tools that I I use or promote, or people that we have on here that are promoting, they're just tools to help you with the heavy lifting, to help you to get 80, 90% of the way. You still want to interject your experience. You still want to interject your know-how, your savvy. Look at it, put eyeballs on it. Even though some of these tools have like best practices, or like how John calls it, the Boy Scout, method of ranking, or, I call it the best practices, and they're foundational, right? You want to still look at some of these things, even though it implements, because AI is not the end all. You still want to fact check. You still want to look at it. You still want to put your own spin, your noggin to it, right? So that's one thing I definitely wanted to cover. Another thing that I wanted to see, and I just made a post on it on my social medias, couple of things that um talking about best practices, you want to put like your Google Search Console, your Google Analytics, right? Your Bing webmaster tools. Now I'm implementing auto, but those are like the foundational stuff so you can get data and help you make decisions. What keywords, what pages, indexing issues that you may have. You want to take data as far as like keywords, your competitors that are out there. But for yourself, you want to collect as much data on yourself so you can make those decisions. And one thing with the agency that we tell, our plumbers and businesses that we help, it's black and white, right? There's no guessing. It's Google's math. Like either you're progressing up or you're not, right? Either you have the foundational stuff or you're not, right? Either you're indexed or you're not. There's no really like second guessing this stuff, but you have to have like those foundational stuff on all your business. I'm gonna create another video on this, even on my YouTube channel, on how to do it. What does that look like? There's different ways to skin the cat, especially with Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Bing Webmaster Tools. You want to get those things on there to help you get data, to help you make better decisions. And the platform itself will help you with those decisions. If there's any issues, if there's any concerns, it will help you. And again, these tools are meant for that, guys. These tools are meant for you to be able to like look at stuff and make the right decisions to help you navigate, to help you with awareness and engagement on your website. So hopefully, guys, like I've even showed like with Alder, Local Dominator, how to use that tool to help make better decisions with your SEO, tying it with your website, how to read those numbers on there. So take a look at that. Utilizing these tools, again, just to do the heavy lifting, to help you with the gap analysis, to help you like, man, oh, I forgot this, right? So that's one thing that was really kind of pressing. Like, don't let these tools be the end all of all, like it's not the silver bullet, it's not the magic pill, it's not the answer to get stuff overnight. You still have to practice the SEO SEO best practices, the foundational stuff to get you on there. You still have to do all of that. When you're building a website, you still have to implement those things, because a lot of the builders won't do that for you, right? A lot of the builders won't allow that to be implemented. Now, speaking of building, another thing that I'm working on, guys, is a couple of like rank and rent websites to show and to practice like your SEO skills. So we probably have about, I think we have 3 or 4 already done, and I'll be showing that in the video that I'm going to be showing, like how to do the Google My Business, or how to do the Search Console, Google Search Console, Analytic, Bing Webmaster Tools, and even Auto, how to implement that. We're going to be doing that with these sites. These are brand new sites. These are brand new sites with the GMBs We're gonna kind of track how that all works, how we can rank that from zero, right? These are stuff with nothing in them, nothing implemented on them, brand new sites. These are all sites that we've had William Jones Marketing build. I can even go back and show you as far as like how that process went, right? Because I want you to be able to run your business while stuff is being done. And then once the stuff is done, how to implement what's in your agency, put to practice what you're trying to get your clients to do by drinking your own Kool-Aid. What are the stuff you're going to do to your clients you can do for yours, right? And then you can make a good living based off those leads, helping other businesses. Depends on what niche you're doing. So we have about 4 sites right now. I think we have 3 in the pipeline. So we'll have a good amount of websites that again, we're going to show from scratch what to look for as far as the SEO, how to rank it, backlinks, all the 5 pillars. Now I added a 5th one, but on page, off page, content, backlinks, and traffic, right? We're going to be focusing on those 5 things that no matter what SEO company, what agency you go to, they're all going to be dealing in those 5 things, right? They're going to track those particular 5 things. On, off, content. And what I mean by on and off, like on is like the technical stuff. Off, it also involves the backlinking, but off page like citation, social medias, off page getting like the popular kids or the popular websites to get to know you. So on would be more like also content, but when I say on, I mean more of the technical stuff. Off page, meaning like your citations, backlinking, content. What I mean by content is like your keyword research, your NLP, your entities and variations, and density of your content. When I say content, backlinks, it's to those particular pages. When I say backlinks, meaning stuff on the niche or your geo, where you're from, to help elevate that. So that's what I mean when I say backlink. So on, off, content, backlink, and then traffic, a little bit of CTR to your website pages. And then in essence, we can apply those 5 pillars to your GMB to help you with your GMB ranking. With your GMB ranking, it's the same thing. On, it's everything optimized on the GMB itself. Off, it would be like reviews, again, social media, but especially with reviews, we can definitely help you with that, making sure those reviews are sticky. Content, make sure, again, with the keywords, right? Variations, entity, and NLP as far as within the content. Backlinks, kind of tying it into your website, and then traffic again. So those are 5 pillars that you can also apply to your GMB to help you with your ranking. So that's what's going on with that. I wanted to kind of update you guys on that. Let me see if we have any questions on the Facebook. Awesome. We have Rafael on Facebook. Appreciate you. So if you have any questions, guys, don't hesitate to post on there. So I want to kind of give you like a perspective on tools that are out there right now. Also wanted to give you a perspective on what's going on, like with William Jones and myself, as far as getting websites going and showing you how to, apply some of this like basic stuff that we have going on. So we have that. Let's see here. What else can I update you guys? Omar, if you have any questions, don't hesitate. I see let me get let me switch over my speakers just in case you have questions. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I gotta put these on. I'll put the speakers on the system. So don't hesitate to ask any questions that you may have. So I wanted to update you on that. So look out for videos. I'm gonna kind of go live, maybe, or do some YouTube videos so we can show some of this stuff, especially what I've been seeing lately is like the um, Google Search Console analytics, Bing Webmaster Tools, and the auto to all our projects that we may put on out there. Guys, that is all I really had to update unless you guys have any questions. GMBs, I've had a few GMBs reinstated. Um, William has a GMB course that's out there. That's a video that we show you, and then you do it. So you'll have a GMB at the end of that call. So take a look at the the Facebook, not the website, but the Facebook specials. I've been asked a lot about the GMBs. Reviews we got down, you can go on to William Jones as far as the reviews. If you're not on the mailer, as far as William Jones, the mailing lists, I should say, of emails, we also have like specials that we throw up on there that will help you with some savings. Okay. And if you have any issues, any help, book a meeting with me and I can help you with any of the orders you may have, where they're at. Just make sure that you follow the directions as far as the SPP system when you order. But there is, I've been asked about GMBs lately, website specials that are out there that I took advantage. So I'll be doing some videos on that once the website is up. Like I just mentioned, we have 3, 4 of them ready. We're going to do, we have another 3 in the pipeline, I believe right now, that we're going to take to the process of ranking and showing you. Those are kind of like our test stuff, showing you how, the rank and rent stuff, especially with Micah. So I'm implementing the websites and the leads and the phone numbers through Micah's, and Micah takes care of the payments. And we've had pretty good success with that so far. So again, let's see, I'm trying to think of like questions that have been asked lately, reviews, GMB, get on William Jones's email list. That way you guys can get those specials and take advantage of those specials especially. So guys, we have a couple people, about 3 people. If you have any questions, anything specifically, just type it in and we'll get you guys' answers to the best of my knowledge. What kind of I'm doing it, if it fits. Today's more of a Q&A's update, State of the Union, if you want to say, what's going on with myself, questions that have been asked, and then William Jones as far as the specials that are on there. Kind of what I've seen people ask me lately when they hop on with me, or you guys message me, or you book anything on my calendar. So any questions, guys, don't hesitate. We'll probably stay a couple 10 more minutes here. Let me I have a new booking calendar. I'm switching over from Calendly to Once Hub. It's pretty cool platform. That's something new this morning. I'm making that transition. So the old link to me should work. I'll be updating some of these booking calendars with Once Hub is my new kind of calendar link, I should say, right? That I'm going to be utilizing. So if you need any support calls with William, let me put it here in the chat. This is going to be my new link that I'm going to. I'll be switching that over if you guys have any questions. Book a call, guys, if you want, like one-on-one, more personalized with you. If you have any questions as far as an order with Williams that you may have placed the order with, don't hesitate to book a call with me or William. We'll get you sorted and on track with your project. So any questions, guys? Let me check Facebook. I don't see any questions that you may have. Don't hesitate to ask anything. Again, there's nothing specific today. just more of any kind of updating you what's going on with myself and any updates or questions that you may have. Just open Q&A, guys. Q&A. Umar, did you have anything specific you wanted to ask? And we have Coach. Don't hesitate to ask anything in particular. Or if you guys wanted to see some of the platforms that I'm utilizing, there is another platform that's coming out, guys, that I'm more involved in. That's going to help you with your GMB. It's going to help you with your how can I say it? Your GMB with your trade area specifically based on driving distance. A true your true competitors within your trade area of the GMB. It's going to take a look at your top 3, your top 5, your top 10 or competitors that you have, and constantly be looking and comparing all that, and then making suggestions to you. Hey, you need to do this or you need to do that based off of your real competitors within your trade area, not somewhere else. Like today, I was just talking to Rafael. We had a gal, let's say she was in Georgia, right? But her GMP was in like New York, not even in the same state. So we got to make sure that that's dialed in. So it's going to help us with reviews, responding to reviews. And again, this is just the tool, back to how I first started the call. It's just a tool to help you with the heavy lifting, 80, 90%. If you forgot something, we took like best practices, different points from the industry itself, right? People we follow. And let's say we took a list like of 100 points. We kind of put them all in there, but based on your trade area, and we compare. Some of this is running hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. So it's constantly comparing and seeing where you fall and how you can improve to implement some of the changes. It has some maps built in, competitor analysis, and it ties in the GMB. It's more GMB focused, local SEO, and it ties in your website and your GMB or your maps profile together. So I'm super excited. That is coming down the pipeline. So super excited. We have that going on right now. So can't wait to share that with you guys. I think it's going to be a huge, huge help. Let me see any questions, guys. Questions. Okay, Umar, Coach, any questions? Don't hesitate. And I put the link as far as the my calendar. If you guys want to book a calendar, guys, if you want to follow, make sure you follow William on his YouTube channel. Get on his email list. Like I said, pay attention to the Facebook group, because there's the GMB special that is on there. That's a little different this time around with how we're showing you. I think you guys will appreciate it, and there won't be no mistakes because it's recorded. We show you, you do it, and at the end of that Zoom call or conference call, you'll have a GMB. So it's showing you. So take a look at that as far as William Jones's specials that we have going on. So guys, I covered pretty much kind of like this open Q&A updates that I wanted to share with you. If you don't have any questions, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up for you guys, those that are here on the live. We got a couple people coming in and out here. I don't see nothing on Facebook, so we'll give it a few more minutes. If you guys want to tell me what niche you guys are in, if you're doing what your offerings are, as far as like, are you putting the GMB and the website and ads together with the client? I know like on some niches like plumbers, you sometimes have to go a little bit further, help their techs with, coaching them with training, upsells. who, you know, the customer service representative who's taking the phone call, help them out a little bit as well to help convert what is coming in. So questions, guys, questions. Okay. Umar, if you have anything, just let me know. If not, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up here on this Thursday as of this recording. So if we don't have any questions, guys, those are the kind of the three things I wanted to cover for you guys and mention. So please don't hesitate to book a calendar. It's in the chat here. Those that are on Facebook, don't hesitate to reach out or message me directly. And guys, with that said, I'm going to go ahead and call it. I appreciate you guys' support that was on here with the open Q&A and updates. So we look forward to showing you these websites, making those improvements as far as the best practices, and then auditing them and getting things right. So I am excited for that. So guys, with that being said, appreciate everyone's support here. Those that are catching the replay. And again, I'll see you guys. This will be the last one, GMB Pros, for this week. So with that said, much love, much success, and I'll see you on the next one.